There are many different types of moves, but they all depend upon three key factors. What is being moved? Where is it being moved to? And who will be doing the moving? First, let's look at what you might need to move. To start with, we have household moving. This is when you pack or move the contents of your house or apartment. Next, we have business moving, which includes office relocation and warehouse and industrial moving. Next, we have vehicle transportation. This includes automobile shipping, boat relocation, and small vehicle moving such as motorcycles. Finally, we have specialty moving. This includes piano moving, pool table moving, and pet moving. Now let's look at where you might need to move. The main issue here is how far. First is what's called on-premise moving. This is where items are not loaded into a truck, but simply moved around within the same location. Next, we have local moving. This is moving that is often loaded and unloaded on the same day, usually no more than 100 or 200 miles. Local moving is normally done with local moving trucks, which are usually single-body, two-axle trucks with cargo boxes between 16 feet and 26 feet long. Next, we have long-distance moving. This is moving that is usually from one state to another and also includes moves across country. Long-distance moving is usually done on large tractor trailers, and in many cases a moving company might consolidate anywhere from 2 to 20 shipments of varying sizes to maximize cost efficiency. Next, we have moving into storage. There are different types of storage available. First is moving company storage. Next is self-storage. And then there is containerized storage. Finally, we have international moving. This is where you are moving from one country to another. Normally, your goods will be loaded into waterproof and sealed cargo containers. International moving often involves a combination of air freight companies, steamship lines, rail lines, freight forwarding companies, and surface transportation companies. Now let's look at the last factor regarding your move. Who will be doing the moving? If you do all of the work yourself, it is considered a self-service move. On self-service moves, often you try to enlist the help of relatives or friends with the actual packing, loading, and unloading. If you hire a professional mover to do everything, it is considered a full-service move. The moving company will pack all of the boxes, in addition to loading, driving, and unloading the truck. In many cases, people will do a partial service move. For example, they pack all the boxes, but hire a mover to do the moving. In any case, this briefly covers a majority of the different types of moves you might encounter. Be sure to check out our articles that cover each type of move in more detail.